Good evening. In this video session, we would like to write a small minute-driven program where you can display all analytical curves. So the analytical curves and using the parametric equations. So the first is straight line, and second one is circle, and third one is ellipse. Fourth one is inclined ellipse. Fifth one is parabola. Sixth one is inclined parabola. Seventh one is hyperbola. And eighth one is inclined hyperbola. So for these eight, we have 8 parametric equations, and we will write down the equations. So here you can have a menu of line, circle, ellipse, and so on and so forth. And you can read data like this. First, read x1, y1, x2, y2. This is for straight line. And then read radius r for circle. And fourth, major axis and minor axis for ellipse. And inclined angle P for inclined ellipse, and inclined parabola, and inclined hyperbola. And the focus between the vertex and for parabola is F. And the rectangular parameters FA and FB for hyperbola. So here you have to write 2 loops to complete all this equation. In the first loop, for that you have to do initiate u is equal to 0, and du is equal to say 1 by n, and n may be equal to say some 100. Okay, and then third, determine xd. xd is equal to say 400. So the vertical is this is 429. So somewhere here will be your the xd is 400, and yd. So yd is 400. xd is 10. You can say 10, and yd is 400. Next, first let us complete straight line. X is equal to x1 plus u into x2 minus x1. Y is equal to y1 plus u into y2 minus y1. This is over. And plot xd plus x and yd minus y. This is one thing. Next, x is equal to x. So xc1, you have to read xc1 center this and r cos u, and y is equal to yc1 plus r sin u, and plot xd plus x and yd minus y. And sixth, x is equal to xc1 xc2 plus a cos u, y is equal to yc2 plus b sin u. And here plot xd plus x, yd minus y. And seventh, x is equal to xc3 plus a cos u cos t minus b sin u sin t. Y is equal to yc3 plus a cos u sin t plus b sin u cos t. Plot xd plus x, yd minus y. So this is up to here. We completed these 4, and these 4 will be for another loop. So here you can say 8 is u is equal to u plus du, n is equal to n plus 1 if n is less than or equal to 100. You can see that 100 go to, where you have to go? I'll go to 4. And now next here for this 4, you can say u is equal to 3 you can take. Okay, and du is equal to, say again you are saying du is equal to 1 by 200 or something like you can take. Okay, and d is something like, and 10 x is equal to xc4 plus au square, y is equal to yc4 plus 2a. Okay, this is one thing. And plot xd plus x yd minus y. And next one, 11 x is equal to xc4 xc5 plus au square into cos t minus 2au sin t. Y is equal to yc5. So you get a is here what? F1. This is first F1. Here also F1 is there. So F1 u squared sin t plus 2F1 u cos t. Plot xd plus x yd minus y. Okay, and here the space is not there. So what I'm trying to tell, I'm leaving these two for the exercise, and we can say, well, x is u is equal to u minus du, and u is equal to u minus du if u is greater than or equal to minus 3. Go to, where you have to go? You have to go to 10. So 13 is here 13 is stop and 14 is end. So here you can write two more equations here. For a hyperbola, x is equal to xc6 into a sin hu, and y is equal to b cos hu. That is that hyperbola. And for inclined hyperbola, x is equal to xc7 plus a sin hu into cos t minus b sin hu into sin t, and y is equal to this is inclined yc7 plus a cos t into sin t, a cos hu into sin t plus b sin hu into cos t. So like that, this also can include, you can write the program. So after this, you can repeatedly draw a menu, and you can ask what you want to display, and you can display each and every at a time, or you can independently. This is a menu driven program. So this is what I would like to discuss. Thank you for watching the lecture.